Hello dear viewers, this is baby Abubakar. Today video the family scenes, and also the previous video is attached at the end of this video, and the baby is still at home and the family is planning the visit. The family sends updates the full responsibility on the family, and full decision will be take the family. So the baby family did not take any decision about the final visits. So they will decide very soon, and these 2 or 3 days. Uh, and when they decide, they will go to Peshawar for the final visit. And I think this all process will be very soon. Get ready, stay updated, and pray for this baby because the final decision is very soon. Pray that to the baby becomes healthy without surgery, but this is, I think, not possible, but prayer can do anything. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, it's me Dr. Asif. In this video, we will discuss Abubakar baby CSF-RE reports. On the basis of CSF-RE reports, the neurosurgeon has to decide either to do VP shunt or wait until CSF is clear. Abubakar baby will visit neurosurgeon again on this coming Monday. Squint in his eyes has slightly increased. I have traced his CSF reports. One of my junior doctor has sent me his report from hospital. I am sharing it with you. This is the CSF report. The volume is 10 ml, diluted, and color is reddish, and glucose is slightly low, but it is loaded with red blood cells with predominant lymphocytes. So I think according to this report, the neurosurgeon will delay his VP shunt because there is risk of blockage of the VP shunt. So let's see. The neurosurgeon has called them for follow-up visit on Monday, and after neurosurgeon visit they will visit my clinic. So on their coming visit I will discuss his condition and his progress reports with you. Currently Abubakar has no fits, his chest is clear and so we are now waiting just for neurosurgeon. This baby so it's totally up to neurosurgeon. If there is someone expert in neurosurgery or who can suggest us better than based on this CSF report, we'll highly appreciate his comments. Thank you.